everyone! Today, we're in for a treat as we tune into a live broadcast of the breathtaking fireworks show at Camp Zama in Japan. Get ready to be transported to a world of light and color. And there it is, the explosion of light. Vibrant hues of red, blue, and gold paint intricate designs against the dark canvas of the night. Each burst is accompanied by a symphony of crackles and booms, creating an electrifying atmosphere. The fireworks dance across the sky, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that captivates the audience. The rhythm of the bursts, the shimmer of the sparkles, and the echo of the explosions combine to create a sensory experience like no other. As we approach the grand finale, the sky erupts in a flurry of colors and lights. What an incredible experience it has been to witness the live fireworks show at Camp Zama. Thank you for joining me on this magical journey.